Okay, slide number 3 is pretty easy, and you have already studied these things in the subject of English composition and comprehension. Hopefully you remember those things. The heading for slide number 3 is generic writing style for technical reporting. Generic means generally which style is used for technical reporting. Writing style that you will have to adhere to means you will have to copy that style is use first person, active voice, past tense, or third person, passive voice, past tense. Now, if you write a sentence like this, clean the gallium arsenide substrates by boiling them in trichloroethylene. Now, this type of writing is not recommended in a technical report, because you as a writer are suggesting to the reader that they actually clean the gallium arsenide substrate by boiling them in trichloroethylene. It means you are distancing yourself from your own technical report. And if you write it like this, that I clean the gallium arsenide substrates by boiling them in trichloroethylene, it means that you are actually dictating to the reader that you have done everything, and it looks bad. Now, an acceptable form of the above sentences is given over here. The gallium arsenide substrates were cleaned by boiling in trichloroethylene. So this is actually somewhat an acceptable form of a sentence that you can write in your technical report, because in this you are not dictating and you are not also bigging up yourself. So this is somewhat acceptable. But a recommended form of writing style that you will have to adhere while you are writing your technical report is we cleaned the gallium arsenide substrates by boiling them in trichloroethylene. Okay, so you, even if you are a single person and you use we, it means that you are actually making the reader to join you in reading that technical report that you have written. So it actually creates an environment in your text in which you as the writer of the report and another person as a reader of the report comes close together, and they read the report in a very friendly manner. So the recommended form of writing style that you will have to adhere to is we clean the gallium arsenide substrates by boiling them in trichloroethylene. And even this thing looks good in your final year project's report, because you will be working on your project in a group, and when you use we, it means that it is a combined effort. So it looks good to the reader and it becomes pretty technically sound by bringing together the whole group, because all the group then actually takes credit for it. Okay, so this is a generic writing style for technical reporting. Let's go towards slide number 4.